Outstanding design defines the 2009 Saab 97X. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Saab prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, turn signal indicator mirrors, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Saab also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.